तेरे संग चल मेरी चाहत है, जीना अब मुश्किल नहीं तेरे बिना। तेरी हर मुस्कान मेरी जिंदगी की रोशनी, तू मेरी हर ख्वाहिश, तू मेरी हर कहानी। तेरे संग जिंदगी बन जाए, तेरे संग ख्वाबों को भूल जाए, तेरे संग जिंदगी।
Welcome to Kerala, God's own country, where misty mountains, lush tea gardens, wildlife safaris, and backwater houseboats create a travel paradise. If you're ready for an adventure filled with breathtaking views, delicious food, and unforgettable experiences, stick around. We're exploring Munnar's rolling hills, Thekkady wild beauty, and Alleppey's dreamy houseboats. Let's dive in. Section 1. Munnar, Tea Heaven, and Hill Magic. First stop, Munnar. If you love misty mountains, lush green tea plantations, and the smell of fresh tea leaves, this place will steal your heart. Picture this: rolling hills covered in vibrant green, waterfalls crashing down, and fresh mountain air. Sounds dreamy, right? And of course, you have to sip on some authentic Kerala tea. It's warm, aromatic, and honestly, the best way to start your day in Munnar. For adventure lovers, Munnar won't disappoint. Trek up to Top Station. For breathtaking views, visit Araviculam National Park to spot the rare Nilgiri tar or enjoy a peaceful boat ride at Matupedi Dam. And don't forget Adakal Waterfalls, it's nature's own infinity pool. Section 2. Thekkady, wildlife and culture blend. Next up, Thekkady. Welcome to the land of spice plantations, wild jungles, and some thrilling encounters with nature. If you've ever wanted to see elephants up close or take a boat ride through a wildlife sanctuary, Thekkady is your spot. Hop on a boat at Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. And if you're lucky, you might just spot wild elephants taking a bath, deer grazing by the water, or even a tiger lurking in the shadows. Now, let's talk about food. You have to try Kerala's traditional sadhya meal. Served on a banana leaf with rice, curries, and crispy papadam. And spice lovers, you'll be in heaven here. Thekkady is famous for its cardamom, pepper, and cinnamon plantations. And if you love culture, don't miss a Kathakali dance performance or a Kalari martial arts and show. Trust me, it's mind-blowing. Section 3. Alleppey, houseboats and backwater bliss. And finally, let's sail into paradise. Alleppey. Picture this. You're cruising down Kerala's famous backwaters on a traditional houseboat surrounded by swaying palm trees and the sound of birds chirping. It's pure bliss. These houseboats are floating luxury hotels. Comfy bedrooms, delicious Kerala-style seafood, and the most peaceful sunset views ever. Pro tip: spend a night on a houseboat. It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Travel tips and final thoughts. So, how do you get around? Kerala has great road and rail connectivity. The nearest airport is Cochin International Airport, and from there you can take cabs, buses, or even rent a bike for an adventure-packed road trip. Accommodation. Kerala has options for every budget. Stay in budget-friendly homestays. For local hospitality, or go all out with a luxury resort surrounded by nature. Either way, Kerala's warmth and hospitality will make you feel at home. Outro. And that's a wrap on our Kerala adventure. From Munnar's rolling tea gardens to Thekkady's wild safaris and Alleppey's dreamy houseboats, this place is pure magic. So, when are you packing your bags? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get more travel adventures. See you in the next video. Keep exploring, keep discovering. Catch you later.